We brought you this idea during the holidays. It's called TroopTree.com. It enables family, friends, even strangers to record video messages for our troops overseas. And since we first introduced it to you back in December, the number of users has doubled. So joining us this morning with more on how, you can show your support for the members of our armed services and our armed forces is John Lowe, CEO and founder of TroopTree.com. I should say welcome, good morning, but more importantly, congratulations on doubling your numbers since you first launched. So what a huge success you've been.
Thank you, Francis. Fortunately, a lot of people have embraced the service, and they realized that they can take a minute out of their lives and really make a big impact on people overseas serving.
We went on. It's very, very easy. Log on, record your message, send it to the troops. But how many recorded messages do you think you have so far?
We've got about 1,000 videos from people, not just all over the country, but all over the world, who are saying thank you.
And you know what? Our gift packages, mean so much to these troops, but when it's a heartfelt message, that means so much more. And TroopTree grew out of KeepTree. So what sort of messages can you record on KeepTree?
So TroopTree.com enables people to record thank yous for the troops, but it also enables the troops to communicate privately with their families back home. And this comes out of our service KeepTree.com, which enables people to exchange video mail to their friends and family, no matter where they are in the world, no matter what time zone they're in. And it doesn't require a live connection. It's the video voicemail.
That's perfect. So at any given time, you could just send this great, confidential, private message of love, or just to say, we're thinking about you. How are these archived pretty much forever? They'll stay there.
That's right. Two of the most important features of KeepTree.com are that you can record videos and you can send them now, or you can actually schedule them to be sent in the future.
Oh, perfect.
And then when you receive a video, you can save these videos forever. So you have one place for all these communications you've sent and received.
And before we let you go, talk about birthdays, how you can make that extra special by clicking on what's called a birthday kit.
That's right. That's right. One of the most popular features on the site is our birthday KeepTree kit. And you click on the birthday cake, and basically it walks you through a simple process for having friends and family record birthday videos for someone you care about. Your
wife did that for you, and you said it was such a surprise to get the string of great little birthday messages from all the people that your friends throughout the years.
That's right.
So what a great idea.
It was really meaningful.
Awesome, John. Thank you, and congratulations for all the success at TroopTree and KeepTree.com. So to record a message for our troops, or for more information on TroopTree and KeepTree, log on to Pix11.com. Morning News. Time now is 8:45. Sukanya?